Hello everyone, your Reshmi here from your Rice Person. So you all are doing very good today. Thank you so much for your support as always. And today I have selected some exclusive bright handloom sarees collections only for you. So let me display. All are very beautiful bright looks, and organic linen base with Banarosi weaving work, fully hand weaving design, silver zari weaving Banarosi work, very bright and beautiful look. Same saree today I have different color only. This one, full base part navy blue shade, highlighted silver zari weaving, heavy worked border all over buta design, very bright and beautiful look. This one is full base part peacock motif weaving buta work and Banarosi work, silver zari weaving Banarosi design work border, very bright and beautiful looks, bright navy blue shade. This one is running blouse piece, and this one, pallu portions fully silver zari weaving design work, highlighted pallu with beautiful contrast color weaving buta design. And this one, border portions very bright and beautiful looks, and I will suggest this silk material buta work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your smart looks. And this one also very beautiful one, same material organic linen base with zari weaving design work, zari border, very trendy and smart looks. This one is full base part all over black base with golden zari weaving zari work all over base. And this one is pallu portions, beautiful fine zari weaving design work pallu, very smart and bright looks. And this one, full base part organic linen base zari weaving design work all over base. This one is running blouse piece, and this one, full base part, and I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy looks. And this one also, bottle green shade, very beautiful color combinations, zari weaving Banarosi work, organic linen base, very bright color combinations. This one, full base part, base for your party wear also. This one is border portion, fully traditional Banarosi weaving design work border all over buta. And this one is pallu portions, fully fine zari weaving design work, highlighted pallu, bottle green shade. And this one is full base part, very bright and beautiful looks. And this one is running blouse piece, and this one, full base part, and I will suggest this crepe material digital printed with all over fine weaving work, embroidery work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy looks. Nice color combination, same material, premium quality, organic linen, pure handloom base, dual shade and contrast color, half inch highlighted border, red border, and all over fine weaving buta design, very bright and beautiful looks. This one is pallu portions, beautiful zari weaving buta work pallu, and very soft one, smart looks. And this one is full base part all over buta design, contrast color border, dual shade reddish purple shade, very beautiful one with all over hand weaving buta design, very soft one, smart looks. This one is running blouse piece, and this one, full base part, and I will suggest this silk material golden zari weaving buta work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your smart and fresh looks. And this one also, very beautiful one, linen base, premium quality, pure handloom, fine linen by linen with design work, fine embroidery with mirror design work, very beautiful and elegant designer looks. This one is full base part, premium quality, pure handloom, fine linen by linen with zari weaving border design. And this one, pallu portions, beautiful hand embroidery beads design, mirror design work, and pallu end highlighted stripes with sequin design work, very bright and beautiful smart looks, designer piece. And this one is fine hand embroidery design work. And base part is premium quality, pure handloom, fine linen by linen base, zari weaving border and mirror design, very trendy looks, And I will suggest this silk material buta work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your elegant looks. Seen a very beautiful color combinations and very elegant looks. Premium quality, pure handloom, natural fabric, lane by lane, and one portion is golden zari border and one portion is silver zari border, and all over zari weaving buta work, and this one is border portions fully fine zari weaving design work border. This portion is border portions, beautiful weaving work all over buta design, and base part is natural fabric, lane by lane, very soft one. And this one, pallu portions, beautiful fine hand weaving design work pallu. This one is pallu portion, a beautiful one. And this one, full base part all over buta work, and this one is border portions, very nice looks. And this one is a running blouse piece, contrast color and all over base. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your smart and fresh looks. And this one also in a very beautiful one, bright color combinations. Navy blue shade with fine Banarasi weaving work, and bright color combinations, lightweight, premium quality, pure handloom, natural fabric, lane by lane with beautiful fine Banarasi weaving design work border all over buta, very bright and fresh looks, nice color combinations. This one is full base part, this one is running blouse piece. And this one, pallu portions, buta work pallu. This one is pallu portions, very smart and trendy looks. And this one is border. And I will suggest this silk material, buta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy looks. And this one, nice and bright color combinations, organic lane base, Banarasi weaving work border, and all over buta design, very fresh looks. This one is pallu portion, beautiful fine weaving design work, fully hand weaving design work pallu, bright pallu. This one is pallu portions and all over buta design, and border portions fully zari weaving Banarasi work border and all over buta, very fresh and beautiful color combinations, organic lane. This one is running blouse piece, and this one full base part. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy buta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive looks. Very beautiful and nice color combinations, premium quality, pure handloom, organic lane by lane with Banarasi weaving work border and all over buta design, very nice color combination, soft one. And this one, border portions fully silver zari fine weaving design work border all over silver zari weaving buta design, very nice looks. This one, pallu portions, contrast color with silver zari weaving design, heavy worked pallu. And this one, full base part, very bright looks. This one is full base silver zari buta and contrast color fine silver zari weaving border design. This one is running blouse piece, and this one, full base part, very beautiful one. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding trendy looks. And this one also in a very beautiful color combination, same material, premium quality, pure handloom, organic lane base, contrast color, Banarasi weaving border design, and very soft one, bright looks, dark navy blue shade with weaving buta work, Banarasi weaving buta design. And this one is border portions, contrast color, fine Banarasi weaving design work border all over buta and natural fabric, lane by lane. This one is running blouse piece, and this one, pallu portions, contrast color with heavy weaving design work pallu. And this one, full base part, very nice looks. And I will suggest this silk material, buta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your smart and bright looks. Very beautiful one, nice color combinations, premium quality, pure handloom, fine lane by lane with beautiful weaving buta work and embroidery, mirror embroidery design work, very nice looks, fully designer piece. This one, full base part all over golden and silver zari fine weaving buta design with beautiful mirror embroidery design work, very nice looks, premium quality, pure handloom, fine lane lane by lane, and this one pallu portions contrast color with embroidery mirror design work pallu, and this one full base part all over same butta work, fully hand weaving butta design with mirror embroidery design work, very trendy looks. This one is running blouse piece, and this one full base part, and I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work butta work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your smart looks. And this one navy blue shade, very beautiful one, organic linen base with fine hand weaving design work, very nice color combinations. This one full base part all over butta design stripes pattern butta work, organic linen base, bright navy blue shade, and beautiful fine weaving butta design all over base. And this one pallu portions fully same weaving design work, highlighted pallu, very bright and gorgeous looks. This portion is pallu portion, and this one upper base part, very beautiful bright looks. And I suggest this crepe material and digital printed one weaving work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your smart and fresh looks. And this one also same material, same pattern, nice color combinations all over, fine weaving design work butta design, very nice looks, nice color combinations. This one is full base part all over, fine weaving butta design all over base, stripes pattern design work, and very soft comfortable smart fresh looks all over zari weaving butta work. And this one is running blouse piece all over same stripes butta, and this one pallu portions, beautiful fine weaving design work, highlighted pallu zari weaving butta work with stripes design, very trendy and fashionable looks. And this one full base part, and I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy looks, trendy and smart looks. And this one also very beautiful one, organic linen base, all over base part is plain and dark bottle green shade, golden zari border, very bright looks. This one full base part, this one is border portions, fully zari border, golden zari bright border, and all over base part natural fabric, lane by lane, very smart and trendy look, soft one. This one is all over base, and this one pallu portions, highlighted zari stripes pallu, very elegant and fresh looks. And this one full base part, and I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your smart looks. And this one nice color combinations, organic linen Banarasi and fully red shade, golden zari weaving heavy worked Banarasi worked. And this one full base part all over butta design, and this one is border portions, beautiful fine zari weaving design work border all over butta design, fresh red shade. And this one is running blouse piece, and this one pallu portions, highlighted fine zari weaving design work, heavy worked pallu, and this one is full base part, very trendy and smart looks. And I will suggest this silk material heavy golden brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your bright looks. And this one also nice color combinations, blue with green contrast looks, natural fabric lane by lane, highlighted half-inch contrast color border, and all over zari weaving hand weaving butta design, very fresh looks. This one full base part, this portion is border portion, and all over butta design, fully zari weaving butta work, very bright and beautiful looks. This one is running blouse piece, and this one pallu portions, highlighted contrast color with fine weaving design work, highlighted pallu, and this one full base part, very bright and beautiful looks. And I will suggest this silk material butta work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your smart looks. Very beautiful color combinations, same material, organic linen with beautiful silver zari weaving butta work, highlighted contrast color, half-inch border, and this one full base part, very bright looks, nice color combinations with silver zari weaving butta work and nice color combinations, organic linen base. And this one is border portions, highlighted border all over silver zari weaving butta work. This one is running blouse piece, and this this one pallu portions highlighted zari weaving silver and golden zari weaving design work pallu, and this one full base part, very beautiful and elegant color combinations. And I would suggest this velvet material sequin design work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your bright and beautiful gorgeous looks. And this one very beautiful one, all over jamdani pattern design work, fully hand weaving design. Base part is same material, organic linen base zari border, all over base part is beautiful weaving design work. This one full base part navy blue shade, all over zari weaving design work, heavy worked base. This one is all over base, and this one running blouse piece, and this one is pallu portions highlighted zari stripes work pallu, and this one full base part, very trendy and smart looks. And I please suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your smart looks. And this one very nice color combinations, magenta pink shade with silver zari weaving buta work, contrast color, half-inch highlighted border, and all over base part is silver zari weaving buta work. And this one full base part, and this one is running blouse piece, and this one pallu portions fully silver zari weaving heavy worked pallu. This one is pallu portion, organic linen base, and this one full base part, very beautiful bright fresh color combinations. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your smart and fresh looks. And this one also nice color combinations, dark coffee brown shade with zari weaving work, Banarasi work all over buta, and this one full base part, nice color combinations, dark coffee brown shade, organic linen base with beautiful zari weaving buta work, very beautiful and elegant smart looks. This one is full base part, this one is running blouse piece, and this one pallu portions, beautiful fine zari weaving design work pallu. This one is pallu portions, and this one full base part, very bright one. And I will suggest this silk material heavy Banarasi weaving work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding fresh looks. Very beautiful color combinations, nice look, organic linen base and bright dark green shade, bottle green shade with zari weaving Dhakai pattern weaving design work border, very bright and fresh looks, natural fabric lane by lane. And this one border portions fully zari weaving Dhakai pattern weaving design work border, and this one full base part, very nice and fresh looks. This one is all over base, nice color combinations, and this one running blouse piece, this one is running blouse piece, and this one is pallu portions highlighted contrast color with weaving zari weaving buta work highlighted pallu, and this one full base part, very nice and fresh looks. And I suggest this silk material weaving work, silk weaving work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy and smart looks. And to the have different beautiful color combinations, saree and fully silver zari weaving Banarasi work, organic linen base with fine silver zari weaving design heavy worked border, Banarasi border, and all over buta design. And this one pallu portions heavy silver zari fine weaving design heavy worked pallu, very bright and gorgeous looks, beautiful saree and blouse also. If you want the same combo, please contact to WhatsApp. Hope you will like our collection. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Keep browsing our website. Stay healthy. Have a good day. Take care. Thank you so much.